Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing good. So today I'm gonna be showing you guys how I created this look. So if you're interested to see, please keep on watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video. So as usual, I'm just starting with my eyebrows, and I am using a brown pencil to do my eyebrows. I do have an eyebrow tutorial on my channel, so if you'd like to see how I do my eyebrows, please do check it out. And to conceal my eyebrows, I'm using the LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Creamy Beige, and I'm gonna put it all over my eyelid to prepare for my eyeshadow. For my eyeshadow, I'm using the Beauty Glazed palette, and I'm using that purple shade all over my crease. And yeah, that's what I'm doing there. And I also mixed it with that black shade because I wanted it to be like a little bit dark. So yeah, and now I'm taking that pink eyeshadow, light pink, and I'm putting it there as a transition color. And yeah, to cut my crease, I am using the Avon concealer. And yeah, that's what I'm doing there. I'm just cutting my crease and taking my time to make sure that it is precise as much as possible. And then the first eyeshadow I'm using is from the Olivia palette, and I'm using that white shade on the inner part of my eyelid, and I'm just packing it there like that. And then the second color I'm using is that light peachy color, and I'm just putting it next to that white shade. And yeah, I'm also just packing it there. And then the third color I'm using is that deep orange, and I'm just putting it next to that peachy color, and make sure that I blend everything. And then on the outer part of my eyelid, I'm using the same purple shade that I used on my crease. And then now I'm just using that pigment. I bought this pigment from AliExpress, so I'm using that neon pigment, the yellow shade, on that line that I left there. And I'm just using a brush to put it there. And then moving on to my eyelashes, I'm using the Essence mascara, extreme mascara, to prepare my lashes. And then yeah, I'm just putting my false eyelashes there, and make sure that they look good. And then moving on to my face, I'm using the Wet n Wild Rose Primer, and I'm using the Revlon Candid foundation in the shade 440 for my face. And I'm just using a damp beauty blender to blend my foundation. I also posted a foundation routine recently, so I also do have it on my channel if you'd like to see how I do my foundation everything is there. That's why I didn't go in depth here about my foundation routine, because I do have the video on my channel, so please do check it out if you want to see how I do it. And yeah, to contour my face, I'm using the Natural Beauty contour palette from Signature. As usual, I love this palette so much, guys. Like, it's the best, I promise you. For highlighter, I'm using the Wet n Wild Mega Glow highlighter, and I'm just putting it on my cheeks, my forehead, my nose, the bridge of my nose, and my cupid bone. And then I went back on my lower lashes with the same purple color that I used on my crease. And then on the inner corners of my eyes, I used that pink shimmery color. And yeah, that's what I'm doing right there. To set my face, I'm using the Rimmel Insta Fix and Go setting spray, and I'm just spraying it all over my face to set everything. So yeah, that's what I'm doing right there. And then moving on to my lips, I'm just applying a lip balm just to make sure my lips are hydrated before I apply a lipstick. And now I'm just lining my lips with a brown pencil, and I'm using the NYX matte lipstick. It's a brownish shade, and I thought I'd like it, but no. So I ended up changing that lipstick and using a nude lip gloss. So yeah, you'll never go wrong with a nude lipstick, so it's always safe to use it. So yeah, I ended up using it, and I mixed it with a lighter nude and blended the two colors together. And yeah, guys, that is all for this look. I love how this look came out, and yeah, I hope you enjoyed watching the video, guys, because I enjoyed filming it for you. Please do like this video and leave a comment down below, and also please subscribe to my channel if you are not yet subscribed. And yeah, thank you so much, guys, for watching. I love you so much, and I will see you on my next video. Bye.